Back high vowels. U versus U. Both and U are high back vowels, so both sounds are produced in the back of the mouth with the tongue raised high. The difference between them lies in the tenseness of the lips. The sound is lax, and the U sound is tense. To make U, we make the lips tense so that the lips are rounded and protruding. With we raise the tongue and let the air out. Words. These are words with the U sound. With EW. Blue, brew, chew, crew, drew, screw, through. With O, approve, approval, improve, lose, move, movie, prove, remove, shoe, tomb, whose, womb, do, to, who. With OO. Boot, choose, cool, food, fool, loose, moon, pool, root, school, shampoo, shoot, soon, stool, tool, tooth, troop, zoo. With OU. Group, soup, through, you, youth, routine, wound. With you, flu, include, June, Peru, rule, truth, haiku, tofu. With UE, blue, glue, sue, true. With UI, bruise, cruise, fruit, juice, lawsuit, suit, suitable, suitcase. Homophones. Blue, blue, choose, choose, flew, flew, through, through, to, to. Words. These are words with sound. With OO, book, cook, foot, good, hood, hook, look, shook, stood, took, would. With O, bosom, wolf, woman. With OU, could, would, should. With U, bull, bullet, bully, bush, butcher, cushion, full, pudding, pull, push, put, sugar. Homophones, would, would. U versus minimal pairs. These are U versus minimal pairs. Fool, full. Luke, look. Pool, pull. Could, could. Should, should. Stewed, stood. Wooed, would. Bull, bull. Cook, cook. Suit, soot. Hood, hood. U versus in sentences. These are sentences with the sound. The wolf could be full. The bull pushed the butcher into the bush. Don't pull or push the woman. The bully took the sugar and put it in the pudding. The butcher would cook the wolf for the woman. These are sentences with the oo sound. We packed the suitcase with fruit juice for the cruise. The two groups choose moviegoers and crew members. They approved watching the moon in the school swimming pool. The bruise is blue. You should remove the tomb and the two shoes from the room. These sentences have both and oo sounds. I brewed coffee and cooked tofu. You should look at the big blue moon. Luke wooed the good-looking woman. The fool kook wore a suit in the soot. The foot looks good even though it has a blue bruise. The U sound. Now let's consider the U sound. U is not a phoneme, but a composite vowel sound, as it can be analyzed into y plus oo. U is used in words like cute, few, university, and music. Words with U include the following. U words. With Y. U, youth. With U, abuse, accumulate. Amuse, argue. Community, commute, computer. Confuse, continue, Cuba, cube, cute. Dispute, excuse, fuel, future, huge, human, humor, mule, Munich, museum, music, occupy, refuse, rescue, stimulate, Uganda, ukulele, Ukraine, unicorn, uniform, unique, united, university, usually, value, volume. French origin words. Cue, few, nephew, interview, review, view. When U is unstressed, it may sound like ya. Accurate, ambulance, consecutive, formula, failure, popular, regular. Yod-dropping. The sound y is known as yod. Yod-dropping means pronouncing U as oo. In standard American English, yod-dropping happens after certain consonants, specifically d, n, s, t, th, z. Do, dude, do, duke, dune, introduce, produce, reduce. New, avenue, new, news, nude, nuke, pneumonia, revenue. Sue, assume, consumer, pseudonym, pursue, suit, suitable. Two, attitude, opportunity, stew, student, substitute, tube, Tuesday, tune. Thu, enthusiasm. Zoo, presume, resume.